To transfer your Google Play balance, the first thing you want to do is open the Google Play Store on your device. Once you're inside the Play Store, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. This is where you can manage your payment options. Now tap on Payment Methods. In this section, you need to make sure that you already have a payment method linked to your Google Play account. If you haven't added your bank account or any other method, you should do that first. You won't be able to transfer your balance without it. After you've confirmed that your payment method is linked, go back to the previous menu. This time, scroll down and tap on Help and Feedback. This is how we'll contact Google support to request the transfer. Once you're on the Help and Feedback screen, tap on Contact Us. In the search bar, type this sentence: "Can I transfer my Google Play balance to my bank account?" Then tap on Next Step. You'll be shown a topic called About Play Balance. Tap on that. Then tap on Next Step again. Now tap on Next Step one more time. At this point, you'll be asked how you want to contact support. You may see options like chat or email. What we're going to do is select email. A form will now open. Most of the fields will be filled in automatically. You will see a field asking for your transaction ID. This is the ID of a transaction linked to your bank account in your Google Play activity. You can find this ID by checking your email for past purchases or checking your Google Payments account. Once you've entered the transaction ID, scroll down and look for the Issue section. From the list of options, select Other. Now tap on Submit. After that, you just need to wait for a reply from Google support. They'll send you an email with information about your request and tell you if the transfer is possible. That's it. Thanks for watching.